Rachel Weisz wasn't by her husband, Daniel Craig's, side for the No Time to Die premiere in London, but he had another special date, his 29-year-old daughter. Daniel Craig brought his gorgeous daughter, Ella, 29, to the No Time to Die premiere in London on September 28. As the star of the film, Daniel was the center of attention on the red carpet, and Ella was by his side. The pair was also photographed leaving the premiere after-party, which took place at Annabel's. For the rare night out with her famous dad, Ella looked gorgeous in a menswear-inspired ensemble. She rocked a white button-down tucked into high-waisted black pants, which she paired with a black blazer. Her hair was heavily parted to the side and slicked back into a low bun. Meanwhile, Daniel stood out in his velvet pink tux jacket, which was paired with a bow tie and black pants. Ella is a fairly private figure, but she does have a few acting credits on her IMDb page. Daniel shares Ella with his ex-wife, Fiona Loudon, who he was married to from 1992 until 1994. The 53-year-old subsequently married Rachel Weisz in 2011, and in 2018, the couple had their first child, a daughter, together. Rachel also has a 15-year-old son named Henry, who she shares with her ex-fiancé, Darren Aronofsky. Rachel and Darren were together from 2001 until early 2010. Meanwhile, the No Time to Die premiere was certainly a big night for Daniel. The movie is his fifth time playing the iconic James Bond, and he has made it clear that it will be his last. Daniel made his debut as Bond in 2006's Casino Royale, which was followed by Quantum of Solace in 2008, Skyfall in 2012 and Spectre in 2015. Other celebrities who attended the star-studded premiere included Kate Middleton, Prince William and Ana de Armas. Rami Malek was also in attendance with Lucy Boynton, while Billie Eilish made a stylish appearance, and Phoebe Waller-Bridge showed up looking stunning in a plunging jumpsuit. The movie is set to be released internationally on September 30, 2021, and is due out in the United States on October 8, 2021.